There's a dramatic change in the workplace. There's a dramatic change in traditional cultural roles. It has left a significant number of men confused, disillusioned, angry, frustrated, and traumatized. Let's stop right there and unpack some of this stuff. Things are changing. And because things are changing and we're trying to find a role that the system says we're supposed to be in, and that role right now, it doesn't apply. That role as a male, that role as masculinity, the system, the culture of a man, how he's supposed to be, how he's supposed to act, what he's supposed to do, does not apply in these times right now. And we're trying to incorporate a system or a masculine state of mind of what we think a man is supposed to be, and it's not working because things are changing.